Hello, I think you all finished your first day slanting line. You did well? Yes, I hope so. We'll go to the session 2 now, right? The session 2, before that, I'll just draw the slanting line which you have practiced. This is the line you have practiced. You are all ready? Oh, right. Now, there is only 4 strokes, don't worry, right? In the third session, we will complete everything, right? We'll be going for writing alphabets in the 4th day. One more day for us, right? Now, today we are going to see 2 more strokes, right? And this is the first stroke. I think you are all good in this. You might have done a good practice, right? Now, I'll go to the second stroke. If you see the alphabets, some letters goes above and some comes down, okay? So to manage that, we have formulated a stroke. Now onwards, we will start use only 3 lines. Only this stroke we used all the 4 lines, right? Now we are going to 3 line, right? We will start from the 3rd line. Hereafter, all writing should start from 3rd line, right? Okay. Now pencil or sharp? Okay, fine. Now I am going. Just you go the same slanting from 3rd line. I am just going. See, I have stopped here. I have not touched the line, right? I have stopped there a little below because I am planning to go for a small curve coming down with the same stroke down. Again with the same I am going, and once I reach here I make a small and coming down. You have to do this slow, right? You should not be in a hurry. Go very slowly. We'll go for the next stroke again. We start here. Go. Don't touch the line. Make a curve. Come back. Again go in this. Don't touch the line. Before that, make a curve. Come in. This is the stroke. It's like letter M, okay? So this is what we are practicing. Then how to check this? That is very important. Once this is done, we have done a 4 line already the practice. Just I am checking it. This is how you have to check. After every stroke it can be done, or one line is over, you have to check like this. If you get this landing proper, I think this stroke is perfect. And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes will tune you so perfect, okay? Mistakes will show you where you have to tune yourself. So forget about the mistakes. Right, I'll again show you. Now without taking hand I am doing like this, because being a board I am doing it little thick, but if it is pencil I will be doing it very sharp, okay, like this. What I did here, I did some mistakes. I'll show you. Here I am comparing this is little sharp, this is a proper stroke, and here I have not touched the line, you see, I have not touched the line. These minute things are very important in handwriting, okay, because it is not just practicing handwriting, it is bringing our brain under control, okay. That means we have to do it very slowly. Always tell in the inside and then you write. See, I am now going to do. I am telling inside, right? What I am telling inside, I am going to tell it to you, because you have to listen, right? I have to go and touch the 3rd line. I have to go for the stroke. Before touching, I have to stop for a while and I have to make a curve. Then I have to come back, touch the line, again go back. Before touching, I have to wait, then come back. When I tell and do, and the strokes will be perfect, because every small move, brain is coming along with us. So it is not getting deviated. This is the kind of practice which we are giving to make our handwriting so perfect. Okay, now you have to practice this one full line, then check like this, and if you find any mistakes, if it's perfect, you just make it like this. If you don't feel this is not perfect, you tick. Then once that is over, then watch all this, taking in mind, then go for the next. Okay, this is our type of practice, right? So now the second stroke is over. This is stroke number 1, stroke number 2. Now I am going to teach in this session 2, the third stroke. Okay, so easy for you. So we'll be completing today, right? I'll be doing it in the next line. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Now this stroke, where to start always? Third line. Okay, third line. Right. This stroke I am going to use only these two lines, 2 and 3, not 1, 2, 3. Here I used 1 to 4. These I am used 1 to 3. Now I am using 2 and 3 middle lines. Okay. Let's see, right? And we have a lot of curves in our letters, so I am going to do a curve letter, right? Just see. Now the same slanting I used in all places. Slanting, don't forget. Slanting touching 4 line, slanting touching 3 line. Now slanting touching 2 line. Okay, that's our always the beginning. So I am doing. Okay, then make a small curve. Come back, then end like this. Okay, this is letter C which we practice. You can come little beyond like this, because that is going to join with the other letter, right? So that is very important. I will show you why this is very important. Clear? Very simple. See, a curve, come back. This ending should be in the middle. That is very, very important. Okay. Then, if this slanting is not practiced well, at least 8 letters will be shabby. So, keep focus. Simple stroke. Once you are perfect in these 4 strokes, I tell you, we assure you 200% a beautiful, unlegible handwriting. Okay. Now, stroke 1 is over. Today, you are going to practice the second stroke, this one, and third stroke, this one. So, in this session, you practice all these strokes. Then later, tomorrow, we will be going for session 3. That is, tomorrow you are going to wind up the strokes. That means we are going to go quickly for alphabets. In 4th day itself, you will be start writing alphabets. Okay, fine, bye.